Hi, Meredith here. Today we're going to build a simple dashboard for an online business. A dashboard is really a business basic. Whether it's a technical metric like network load or a business metric like churn, without a dashboard you're flying blind. Thankfully, all it takes to get your data out of that database and onto the web is a little bit of Python. Let's say we want to track signups and retention for an online business. We already have a Postgres database with a table for users and a table that tracks users' activity. We can start with signups. We want to work out how many users have signed up each week in the last 3 months. It's pretty easy. Just count all the users who signed up in the last 3 months, and then group by week. Oh, that's all jumbled up. Let's order by that week. Now to turn this into a web application. We open up Anvil and create a new app using the dashboard layout. Add a card here and put a plot component on it. We'll call it signup plot. Now we just need to get that data out of the database. We'll use a server module. Because this is Python, we can just use the standard tools to talk to the database. In this case, psycopg2 for talking to Postgres. Psycopg2 requires the full Python 2.7 environment, so you'll need a paid account for this. Now all we need to do is connect to the database and run our query. We'll make a server function that runs that query we wrote earlier. And then returns the results. We want to run this query when the app opens. So let's call this server function from our form's init method. Now we have the data, all that's left is to display it. Anvil plots use the Plotly API. There's a link to the docs under this video. So we just import the Plotly graph objects, and then create a scatter object. The x-axis will be the sign-up time, the first column that we returned, and the y-axis will be the number of users, which is the second column. We'll fill it under the line just to make it look nicer. And here we are. We've built a dashboard that pulls data from a Postgres database and turned it into something we can hang on the wall of our office. The neat thing about Anvil is that you can take all your tools from the huge Python ecosystem and use them to build web applications more quickly than ever before. For more tutorials, check out anvil.works/learn. See you next time.